Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Kathryn. Kathryn, thank you for being a patron again this month. She requested a big spread featuring a few of the sticker sheets from the new Live, Love, Go Wild sticker book. This one is still available to purchase if you're interested. Also, I'm going to use some big pastel boxes, and she wants a memory keeping spread, so it's just, you know, adding some decorative elements and boxes here and there, but she's going to fill in all her memories for that week on this page. I used to do memory keeping in a horizontal. I really like that. It's just, you know, it kind of got a little, I had too many planners back then, so it became a little too much. But she requested this sheet right here. Look how pretty this is, the little cactus sheet with the flowers, so pretty. So there's two sheets that I can put in here, and then I have the big pastel boxes because I can use these pastel boxes. Yes, there's some nice colors in here that I'll be able to put into this spread. I'm actually gonna start off, maybe I'll start off with, no. Okay, first thing I'm gonna start off with is I'm just gonna rip the pages out, because for the most part I'm just gonna be using these two. So we'll take these out. Everything else in this book I'm not using, so just these sticker sheets. I don't have to flip through that book anymore. But it's a really good book. If you are going to go wild, definitely a must. Or if you're like planning a trip to Texas, or you live in Texas, this is a cute, really pretty book. Can't wait to use it to plan on my trip next month. All right, so I have these two gorgeous sticker sheets. Look at this. I love this. So this is going to go down first. It's a corner piece. So this is going to go, oh, gotta be careful. Sometimes I'm not careful with these stickers. But yeah, this is going to go in the corner. It'll be here. I'm going to try to put it down straight. Oh, actually did. Cool. So pretty. All right, so that's there, and then I wanted to put like a box. Oh, actually no, because I'm thinking like planning. I mean, no, she could put a box here, or I could put a box here and she could use it. Sometimes you could use like the sidebar for things you're grateful for, or like maybe the highlight of the week. You can write that over there. So yeah, I think I can do a box. All right, so let's see what colors I'm gonna use. There's lots of pretty colors. Ooh, that green. Ooh, green and pink. Green and pink is such a good color combo. I think I might do green and pink. Okay, let's do pink. Oh, I used it. Of course I did. I really like pink, so I use pink a lot. So I'm just gonna use one of these lined ones right here. We'll just put, I'm just gonna put a box here. And I love using the lined ones when it comes to like journaling spreads, because, you know, it's about journaling. So that always works. All right, and then I have this piece here, this corner piece. We'll go up here. Okay, let me grab a green box. This one's good, nice and big lines, and then this will go. And then I will add a box with that. Okay, layer a box, and I gotta find a book with like quotes and stuff that I can add. All right, and then I want to add some of these like floral elements too. So I got these cute little cactus. Let's put this here. And then some of the flowers. Let's see. I feel like I should put Just layering some florals. Okay, let me get another like box situation over here. Let's see what I got actually. All right, I'll use one of these. I'm gonna use it this way though, so it's a little bit different. We'll do it up here. Okay, and then I can grab a green box, maybe a square. Actually, no, I'm gonna do this size. It's different. Okay, and I can add flowers. Oh, I should add this big one. This one's really pretty. I'll just add this here, like layered. Oops, sorry, let me cut this off. All right, cool. Yeah, these sticker sheets are so good, so pretty. All right, more of these. Oh, you know what? I should grab some washi. Yeah, okay, so I need to find a washi for this spread and also quotes. I need to find some quotes for this spread too. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring in orange with washi, but that'll be like the orange touch on this spread. So this is from Amazon. It's like just solid color washi, which I like because it's very plain. I don't like my washi to compete with my spread because then it's just like a little too much. Just a little touch of color is sometimes nice. Okay, I'm gonna try to be better about like linking my stuff. I'm so terrible at that. Okay, so I literally need to write down what I'm saying because I'll forget. Okay, so I need to link this washi. Amazon washi. So I don't forget. Okay, and then I should remember that. All right, I'm gonna add some to the top over here. Oops. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. And then we'll add a little bit here on this side. And then a little bit here. Alright, so that should be good for washi. I might add a little bit more. I don't know if I should. No. Okay. I'm not going to go overboard with the washi. I think that's a pretty good amount, so we're going to leave it at that. Oh, and then I think I want to use... Did I bring it? Huh. Oh, I did. Okay. Here you go. I have this book because there's like some peachy elements in here, which I guess I'll bring in more. Oh, but I like these. These quotes are really pretty. And I love these words. Okay, I'm actually gonna add some of these. Like, I like the encourage. Just like nice quotes around the page or words around the page. Love that. Do support. And then I can do joy. Joy is a good one. Do joy here. I'm all about like simple things, and that's why I really love these quotes. They're just simple and pretty. Sorry, I'm trying to fix this because I don't like the way I put it down. Okay, that's better. All right. And then there's some other quotes and stuff I can add from here, but I think that's a good start for this part of the spread. Okay, and I just want to add in, so I want to add in some of these like cactus little pieces, like this one. I'm going to cut off the white a little bit, just make it flat. We'll add one here. And we'll do like a little one too. Again, just cut the bottom off a little bit. Oh, actually, I want to stick this piece down too. This one I don't have to cut because it's already cut, so that's good. Okay, so let me stick this here. You know what? Maybe I'll stick it over here. Okay. And then, let's see. Okay, more boxes. So I'm just gonna stick some boxes around. Just some smaller ones I think will be good in a few places. Okay, so I got a green one there, and then I could put a green one over here. Just gives me more places to layer like florals and stuff, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll grab this orange one. And let's do a pink one over here. I can even do a cactus up here too. Let's see. Let's do this one. Cut the bottom off. Have that there. All right. I'm gonna add in a couple of pink boxes. Okay. And this little one. And I wanted another little one, but I don't think I have another one. Oh, I do. Never mind. Okay, so we'll stick this one over here. All right. Let's put this flower here. I'll just add some flowers. Oh, you know what? I want to put like a quote or something here. So let's look in here and see what I got. I like this, share your magic with the world. Oops, I'm ripping it. How am I ripping all these stickers? Okay. It's okay, we'll fix it. You know what? No, it's too little. Never mind. Scratch that idea. It's too small. I think if this was more of a classic size, it would work, but this big size needs some big... That's why these work really nice. If I do this, I'm gonna cut this down just a little bit. Hopefully I don't mess it up too much. It should be fine. Okay, we're gonna put this here. Okay, so since I have that there, I'm gonna need to add some kind of peachy element over here. So I think I might just do one of these little inspiration stickers. And okay. Oh my goodness, this spread is so pretty. I'm loving all the colors. All kinds of gorgeous. All right. Let's see if I can add in any more florals without it looking too busy. I don't know, I kind of like the way it looks though. Let's see. Oh, I kind of am happy with the way it looks. Maybe I can add in some of these. This one says, it's the simple joys. I just like to have like quotes around this spread. Okay, I got this one that says, follow your own path. I actually like that color on the spread too. It's different. It's nowhere else on the spread, but it looks cute. Where it kind of goes. Okay, I think I'm done. How pretty is that? I love it. Okay, so Kathryn, that is your spread. I love how this turned out. So pretty. Hope you like it too. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.